Hey everybody, it is Orletha, and today I wanted to share with you a super simple kitchen trick that I absolutely love, and especially if you are low carb or keto and you miss spaghetti, because spaghetti squash is your best friend if you miss spaghetti. A lot of times though, what I've seen is people try to make this a lot harder than it really needs to be. So I thought today I would share with you a super simple way to make spaghetti squash the easy way. So the first thing you need to do is bake it. So I don't mean cut it in half and then bake it. I mean prick it all over and bake it. I put it in the oven at 425, and you put it in for about half an hour, turning halfway through. So as you can see, this one's already been baked. It's got a little brown going on there. And I'll show you how easy it is to cut after it's baked. So what you do is you just grab a knife, and look how easy that is to cut after it's baked. I don't know if you've ever tried to cut a spaghetti squash before it was baked. It is not easy. You have to have like a super Ginsu knife or something to cut it before it's baked. So now that I've baked it, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside, just getting through that skin. Excuse me. And these are the seeds. All you're going to do is just scrape those out. I'm going to use the back of my knife to scrape those out. Just scraping those out right into the trash. And I'm going to grab a fork and I'm going to show you how easy this is once it is empty. I'm going to grab my fork that I completely forgot about. And all you have to do is once it's got those seeds out of there, then you just use a fork and you go around the sides and you get that spaghetti squash out of there. And this is exactly what it looks like. So I'll show you what it looks like if you've never seen spaghetti squash or used it, or you've seen it and you've been afraid of it. Be afraid no more. It's really easy. You just scrape that right on out of there and pop it in your pan or your dish. There's a delicious recipe for spaghetti squash carbonara if you are a member of 20 Dishes. And if you're not, now's a great time because there is a special. It's a fall special and it is less than $8 a month for 13 months. So I put the link in this video. If you're looking for this recipe or more with spaghetti squash, feel free to hit that other link in there and you will find a 7-day free trial for 20 Dishes. So check that out, and I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, remember to share it to your wall. Click like and be sure to comment. And I will see you guys next week when I share 2 meals in 10 minutes. Bye guys, hope you're having a great day.